If you're broke in 2026, it's not because you're lazy. It's because you're playing a game that was designed for you to lose. You were told to work harder, clock in, clock out, wait for a raise, hope for retirement. But meanwhile, someone with just a phone and Wi-Fi is building assets. Let me be honest. If your income depends on showing up physically somewhere, you don't own your time. And if you don't own your time, you don't own your future. Most people trade 8 to 10 hours a day for money. Smart people trade skills, systems, and leverage. The internet changed the rules, but most people are still playing the old game. Here's the truth nobody told you. You don't need a degree. You don't need rich parents. You don't need thousands of dollars. You need a skill, attention, consistency. That's it. Your phone is not for scrolling. It's a money-making machine. Here are real ways people make money online right now. 1. Content creation. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. You get paid for attention. 2. Digital services. Editing videos, running ads, building websites. Businesses always need help. 3. Affiliate marketing. Promote products, earn commissions. 4. Selling digital products, courses, templates, guides. No warehouse, no boss, no ceiling. But here's what separates winners from dreamers. They start before they feel ready. They post before they feel confident. They build before they feel smart. Financial freedom is not about Lamborghinis. It's about waking up without anxiety. It's about choosing your schedule. It's about not asking permission to live your life. The internet rewards courage. Most people watch. Few people build. Which one are you? Start messy. Start small. But start. Your future income depends on what you build today. If this mindset hit you, subscribe. Because we're not here to survive. We're here to own.